I really believe so. I really believe so that it's just a plain, simple propaganda of the Chinese government. And look at the ambassador, di ba? Kung ano-ano na naman yung sinasabi niya, di ba? Na may 1, 2, 3 na naman siya. Come on. This is not the first time that we caught him lying, di ba? And that's why we were saying na dapat palitan siya, ibalik siya doon sa Beijing. So ako, wala akong kaduda-duda that this is part of their plan. This is part of their strategy. So let's not fall into their traps.
Pero ano ba nangyayari, sir?
Well, we are somehow falling into the trap of this bullying nation. Lahat nagsasalita na, I mean, lahat biglang naging eksperto, no? Pakiusap ko lang, konting yuko lang at minsan hindi natin talaga alam lahat eh. We can learn from each other. We have a pool of experts we can tap, and I'm sure they are in a much better position to give their views and advise us on what we can do. Importante lang na isa lang yung pinaghuhugutan natin lahat. Yung exclusive economic zones, atin yan. Yung 200 nautical miles mula sa baseline na island natin, atin yan. There's no question about it. Ang Ayungin Shoal ay atin, Scarborough Shoal ay atin. Ang West Philippine Sea ay atin. In-encourage ko kayong lahat. Kung gusto nyo magsuot ng t-shirt ng West Philippine Sea, why not?
Pero Sir, the mere fact na hindi natin kayang tapatan yung mighty, nung puwersa ng China. So, dependent lang talaga tayo sa pakikipag-alyansa sa US, Japan,
But you know, when
Australia.
we see each other united in this particular issue, walang oposisyon, walang majority, walang iba-ibang kulay, kundi kayong manggi lahat. Diba? We feel good about it.